Looking to boost your system speed without spending a fortune? We've got a solid deal for you. Check out this top-on-sale product, the KingSpec M.2 SATA SSD. The KingSpec M.2 SATA SSD is a compact, high-performance solid-state drive perfect for laptops, desktops, and even servers. With read speeds up to 550 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 500 megabytes per second, it's a major upgrade over traditional hard drives. Faster boot times, snappier app launches, and smoother multitasking. Available in a wide range of storage options, from 128 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. This M.2 SSD SSD fits snugly into your system using the M.2 key interface and the SATA 3 protocol, AHCI. It uses TLC or QLC NAND flash, has auto-bad block management, and supports up to 90,000 IOPS for 4K random read, which means better reliability and speed for daily use. And the best part? It's now 36% off. Originally priced at $24.24, it's now just $15.51, a steal for this level of performance. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal while it lasts. If you're upgrading your laptop or building a budget-friendly PC, the KingSpec M.2 SATA SSD is a no-brainer. Click the link in the description below to buy now and level up your storage game. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Drop a comment if you have questions or want more upgrade tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and budget tech finds.